and girls, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you're doing well. Guys, we have got a little 3-part series coming. We are having a battle of the advent calendars. Now, I've really enjoyed doing a few advent calendar unboxings over the last few years. I think last year I done Lush, the year before I did Perfume Shop. So I was like, you know what, I want to kind of go old school but bring a few new ones in. So this year I saw one which was the Fragrance Shop. If I can, this is probably the biggest one. I picked this up. I'll go through prices and everything of them. And I was like, you know what? Me and Dan liked a bit of the Perfume Shop last time because you get little mini samples and it sets you through for the year. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to pick that up because the Perfume Shop I couldn't get in stock anywhere. Mum then went out and was like, Body Shop have got some advent calendars. And I was like, oh, just pick up the cheapest one. I was like, I can't be doing the big one. And then I thought, you know what? I want Lush. But there's no point of me having Lush because I don't have a bath. So the bath bombs would be irrelevant. They would just sit a month until I was there. Lush have a big one, which is, I think, £250. And that isn't just bath bombs. That's like shower gel, skincare. And I was like, I can't justify £250 on one freaking advent calendar. And then I got an email to say the Body Shop would come in stock. And before you know it, here we are. We have 3 advent calendars. So I'm going to go through a rough rundown of the prices and that, but each advent calendar over the next 3 days will have their own dedicated video, unboxing, going through it all. It's almost going to be like a little pre-Christmas to ourselves. My main advent calendar this year is going to be some form of chocolate, as it always is. I don't quite know what yet, but yeah, we're going to stick traditional with chocolate. These are just for you guys and kind of a little treat to me. So let's start off with whatever one I screenshotted first in my phone when I was finding the prices. We'll kick it off with the Body Shop. So this is the smallest Body Shop one. This is £60 with contents worth £125. Now it looks really nice from the front. I do like it. I like the little golden tag across the bottom, which you all know. We're going to slightly take off and hope we don't rip it for the unboxing video. And then when you... Oh! Oh no! Guys, okay. Okay. All of these boxes are individual. Right. Don't do Shannon. When you open it, be very careful. These are all individual boxes, which if you've done like what Shannon just did, we're going to quickly shut that, they will end up falling all out on you. Let's try and seal this because I actually want to keep you intact for the video. But with this one being the classic, they do have, I believe they have 2 more. One is about 90 and I think one is 120. But looking in the back of this, you get shower gels, shower creams, a shampoo and conditioner. I haven't tried those. Body butters, body scrubs, hand creams, sheet masks, and lip butters. So this actually is going to be well used because where these are only 60 mils, they're perfect for travel. And me and Dan have got a lot of travels coming up. So these are perfect to go in the clear bags. And I wanted advent calendars that I'm actually going to use. I saw ones like the Look Fantastic and All Beauty. They look lovely, but especially with skincare, I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear it. I don't know if my skin's going to react to it. So I thought, you know what? I'll stick to stuff that I know. Body Shop, absolute favourite, always has been. And then Perfume. And with the Perfume and Fragrance Shop, me and Dan get some of it. And also Mum gets some of it because I take the samples down to her and it's like, right, what do you want? Take your pick. Now, the Perfume Shop one. So this hasn't changed in price from when I got it 2 years ago. This is £90. However, the one thing that I would say has changed, let me just, we're going to just slightly unbox it, is the packaging. Like, I feel you could actually use this as a jewellery box after. This, oh wow. Right, this is a lot more bougie than when I got it. Oh my God, guys. Right, so £90 and you've literally got a travel vanity case as well. Oh, I really like that. I really like that. Last time when I got the Perfume Shop one, I feel like it was just in a cardboard, kind of like a cardboard cutout like that was. And as I say, this hasn't changed in price from when I got it 2 years ago. It's still $89.99. Can I get that in? Yes, I can. And it says, discover 24 sensational treats inside our 2025 Advent Calendar. Inside, you'll find icon miniatures like Carolina Herrera, Hugo Boss and Rabanne. Designed to be reused, we encourage you to keep hold of your box for your keepsakes and treasures. I really like that. And looking at this, because obviously from the ones 2 years ago, I've still got a few little minis at Mum's. Dan still takes his little minis for travelling and Mum's got some. These actually, they're different ones. There's a couple repeated. So if you saw it, remember you would have had the mini Jean Paul Gaultier and the mini Rabanne. They're in here. But they've actually got some really good new ones. They've actually, oh, I'm really excited. They've got the new Carolina Herrera in here, La Bomba. We smelt it at the airport and Dan was like, I like that. But he wants to try and get me the shoe collection. And I'm like, well, La Bomba isn't a shoe, she's a butterfly. But he's like, I don't care, I like that one. So we can give it a go and actually try La Bomba, because if he does like it, I can guarantee that will be something he will try and pick up for me for Christmas, because he likes to get me a little... Oh, they also have Very Good Girl Elixir. He might be having his work cut out, because with Dan, he'll see something. He knows I like sets of something. But then if something is within, say, the same design or whatever, but not quite that set, oh, bless me, it'll be like, what do I do? I'm like, it doesn't matter. So actually, there is a lot in here. They have Versace Eros, which I think was one from last time. He's got the little Eros, but you've got Mont Blanc, Michael Kors, Hugo Boss, Lancome, Rabanne, Juicy Couture, Yves Saint Laurent, Jean Paul Gaultier. Oh, these are good ones. These are good ones. And as I say, that was £90. And the fact that you in essence get a jewellery box vanity case with it, I think that is very, very good value for money. Now, the most expensive one, this is, yeah. So, this originally, from the Fragrance Shop. I'm actually worried to open this one as well, because I feel they're all individual ones. I think we might leave this to when we open the thing, because looking at it, yeah, they're all individual ones in here. So this is the Fragrance Shop one. This was, so with the Fragrance Shop, if you are a member, with being a member, you pay, is it £15 or £20? £15 or £20 for a year's membership, but you get minimum 20% off purchases unlimited. They've recently just changed it. It was only 3 times. Now it is unlimited. So this would normally cost you, if you wasn't a member, £150. Yeah. I picked it up for £120. As I say, with the membership, it's 20% off unlimited now. And you also can get 20% off on top of if they have sales and bits and bobs like that. So this is a little happiness every day. Make the countdown to Christmas magical. Discover 25 days of luxury mini fragrances and trending scents for him and her in our coveted Advent Calendar. Now, however, it says in here there is a money off voucher and an atomizer. But when I looked, it said it had 3 full-size products in it. So the contents of this is worth over £400. That's what they say on here. So looking at it, the average millage, right, you've got really minis starting from 4.5 mil. Now looking at that, they are going to be absolutely tiny, but we'll see. An average is 10 to 15. They have a 30 mil in here. They have, oh wow, okay, they have 100 mil. Wow, okay. And they also have a 75 mil. They have a candle. Oh, right. So this definitely is the spenny one, let's say. This is the pricey indeed. But looking at it, if they're saying that's worth over 400, I would be very inclined to see what the 30ml, 75 and the 100ml would cost on their own. And then obviously your minis, I don't really think you can guesstimate the minis. But looking at this, I wonder if they cross over with Perfume Shop. You're probably thinking, why are you reading the back? It's just spoiling what you're going to get. But you didn't know what day you're going to get what. So looking at this, okay, these are actually really different ones. Oh wow, okay. So there is 100ml in here, a 75ml, and then you've got 4 30mls, a couple of 15s and 20s, and then you've got like your 4.5s to your 10s. Along with the money off voucher, so I wonder how much that would be off, and a Twist and Spritz atomizer, which actually I couldn't get mine to work. I was hopeless, but Dan really did enjoy his, so he got his to work. And a mini candle. Okay, is this going to be worth £150 or £120? We will have to see, my lovelies. We will have to see. Guys, I'm not going to ruby rabbit because you're going to have an unboxing of these for the next 3 days. I do hope you're looking forward to it. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. And leave us a comment. Which one do you think is going to be the best? Have you got any of them? Or was there any that you think I should have picked up? Along like the perfume, skincare, nice stuff. Not like, I don't really do makeup. Like, that's not really a bit of me. I stick with my makeup from when I was about 12 years old. But if there's any others, or if you've got maybe the medium or the large one of Body Shop, let me know how that compares. Guys, take care, stay safe as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!